You have to play Half-Life, like literally right now. Just download that game and start playing it. It is one of the most interesting games I've ever played, seriously. And when was the first time I played Half-Life? By the way, if you don't know, I'm watching my script. I don't know what to say, भाई. Randomly वैसे चीजें नहीं बोली जाती. When was the first time I played Half-Life? I was in my college. I went to have my lunch, and then that was the moment I saw my friend playing Half-Life. I was like, bro, ये क्या game है? ये क्या खेल रहा है? Then I realized, oh, it's Half-Life. I remember he was not able to solve a level. Spoiler alert, मतलब spoiler तो क्या है इस game में, but there is a certain level where you have to defeat a tank or something, and then you go to a cannon, and that cannon destroys a wall, if you know what I mean. So that was the first time I played Half-Life for like 15 minutes. Then after I had a class or something. Then I went to my home and I was like, I have to play that game. I have to complete that game. That game really got to me. I don't know why. That was an old game, but it really got into me. Not gonna lie. Then I played Half-Life after like 3 months. Yeah, I forgot that I had to play that game, and and then I downloaded the game. I really didn't knew what Half-Life was all about because I played when I first played the game. I was in the middle of something. When I first started playing it, I was like, what the hell is going on? मतलब एक साइंटिस्ट एक ट्रेन से आ रहा है कहीं पे, एंड मुझे नहीं पता था क्या हो रहा है. देन आई रियलाइज ओ तो कोई एक्सपेरिमेंट होने वाला है. और भाई वो गेम की स्टार्टिंग, ओ इट टेक्स, आई डोंट नो हाउ मच टाइम इट टेक्स, बट इट टेक्स अराउंड like the cutscene is about fucking 10 minutes before you actually start playing the game. I don't know, I just remove that cutscene. Just kidding. It is a game from 1998, but I don't know, जब वो गेम मैंने खेलना स्टार्ट करी तो मैं हट ही नहीं पाया. मतलब पता नहीं उस गेम की सिंपलिस्टिक अप्रोच या फिर उस गेम का आर्ट स्टाइल, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज, बट इट रियली अमेज्ड मी. And that game was really ahead of its time. I think the concept behind that game, like, it was really good. At this point I'm just glazing that game, honestly, but yeah, it was a really good game. If you have played Counter-Strike before, you will get a lot of similarities from it, especially if you have played like 1.6, because 1.6 is literally a fucking mod of Half-Life. Yeah, जब मुझे ये बात पता लगी थी, I was really stunned. Damn, Counter-Strike is not a original game. It was initially a mod of Half-Life. Some guy made it, and then Valve fucking bought it. It was not made by Valve. When you'll first start playing Half-Life, तुम्हें उसकी movement अच्छी नहीं लगेगी. I didn't like the movement. It was so slippery all the time, and मतलब जहाँ से मुझे गिरना नीचे मैं वहाँ से भी गिर जाता था. But after some time, I got used to it. And अगर तुम्हें हाफ लाइफ में मूवमेंट कंट्रोल करनी आ गई तो हाफ लाइफ का एक मैकेनिक है बनी हॉपिंग, तुम वो बहुत इजीली कर लोगे. मतलब व्हेन आई कंप्लीटेड हाफ लाइफ, इट टुक मी अ लॉन्ग टाइम टू कंप्लीट हाफ लाइफ. लिटरली आई एम अ काइंड ऑफ गाय, और आई हैव बिकेम अ काइंड ऑफ गाय that plays a game for like 1 hour 2 hour maybe, and then I'll stop. It's like, nah, मैं कल खेल लूंगा. I don't want to play right now. For me, I don't sit and just complete a game. It never happened. I don't know why. I can only sit for like 2.5 hours, and after that I'm done with the game. So it took me around a month, I think, to complete that game. Honestly, it was not a really big game, but I don't know why it took me that long. And after I completed the game, I went to YouTube, and I actually wanted to see how quickly a speedrunner can complete that game. It was made 20 or 30 minutes. I was offended. It took me a month. And then I saw people doing bunny hopping, literal bunny hopping in Half-Life. That's when I realized, okay, there are multiple ways to complete this game, and I didn't know what was bunny hopping at the time. I knew what was bunny hopping in CS and all, but Half-Life में भी हो सकती है, मुझे ये नहीं पता था. So yeah, अगर तुमने उसकी movement master कर ली, if you know how to bunny hop, you can complete most of the section of the game like really quickly. Then you'll encounter many monsters, and I'll tell you what the story behind monsters is. Or should I, like, will I spoil the game for you if you're going to play it? Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, spoiler alert. It's not a spoiler, it happens like 10 minutes into the game. So what happens is you're a scientist, right? So you go to a fucking experiment and that experiment goes wrong and creatures from an alternate reality or a dimension comes into your world. That's it. Those are the monsters. बहुत type के monsters होते हैं and the fucking most hated, I hate that monster. वो छोटा सा monster भाई, इसको क्या बोलते हैं, मुझे वो क्रैब सा होता है कुछ. I hate it so much. सबसे गंदा monster लगता है मेरे को वो. There are different types of monsters, different types of human enemies as well. भाई दो पार्ट आते हैं वो बहुत गंदे सोल्जर्स होते हैं, वो जो बहुत तेज भागते हैं. आई डोंट नो व्हाट दे आर कॉल्ड. आई हेट देम टू. दीज आर द टू थिंग्स आई हेट अबाउट दिस गेम. दोस फकिंग क्रैब मॉन्स्टर्स एंड वो पतले से जो वो क्या होते हैं, वो सोल्जर एजेंट्स जो भी है बहुत तेज होते हैं. आई हेट देम डूड. ओके, सो द स्टोरी लाइन, ऑनेस्टली द स्टोरी लाइन इज काइंडा, it's not of a story game. The game has a story to it, but it is not a story game, if you know what I mean. Am I making sense over here? There are no cutscenes in the game, and no major cutscenes at least. And most of the time you'll be solving puzzles, killing enemies, killing monsters. That's it, most of the time. But the lore behind the game is really interesting. I won't tell you that. I'll spoil too much for you then. And the last thing I'll suggest you is, it's not an idea by myself. मैंने भी ये कहीं किसी वीडियो में देखा था YouTube में. But somebody said in that video that don't play Half-Life just like another FPS game you have ever played. What would you do if you were there in that situation? Something like that. If you'll play Half-Life just like another FPS, like Call of Duty, pushing into the enemies and going X mode all around, you'll die. It's not that kind of game. I don't know, मतलब मैं तुम्हें कैसे समझाऊं. You have to play strategically in a fucking offline game. That's it. By this approach you'll enjoy the game a lot more, I think. ये मैंने किसी को YouTube पे बोलते हुए सुना था when I completed the video. When I completed my game, and then I realized कि actually he's right. कि जब मैंने कॉल ऑफ ड्यूटी की तरह खेलने की ट्राई करी है हाफ लाइफ, वो लेवल ही क्लियर नहीं होता था. यू हैव टू प्ले स्लोली. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, व्हाट इज दिस रूल बिहाइंड दिस गेम, बट यू हैव टू प्ले स्लोली और स्ट्रेटेजिकली एटलीस्ट. ओके, सो दिस वाज माय रैंडम बुलशिट अबाउट दिस गेम, एंड इफ यू लाइक्ड इट, you know what to do, all right. I hope you'll play this game. It's a really good game. And yeah, thanks for watching.